Hello everyone. So for my assignment number 4, I decided to focus on Mark for the intervention. So for his specific skill, I decided to focus on his vocational skill of behaving appropriately in spite of excitement. So for the baseline, Mark typically responded to peer interaction by falling to the floor while laughing and pointing at the peer that approached him. So for the annual goal, I said by the end of spring 2020, Mark will be able to physically respond appropriately when approached by a peer by not falling to the ground or pointing 2 out of the 4 times as observed by staff and peers. So he would not fall or point 2 out of the 4 times he was approached by a peer. So for the first objective, I said Mark will be able to stay standing after a peer has approached him. And for the second objective, I said Mark will be able to stay standing and not point at his peer when approached. For the intervention, I decided that I would use a comic strip to show Mark what his behavior looks like to others and what others might be thinking when he does this. I decided to do this because by showing Mark his behavior from an outside perspective, it will give him a better idea of what others might think when he interacts with them, and he might then modify his behavior to be more acceptable by his peers. In addition, he struggles a lot with perspective taking and doesn't understand the emotions of others, and by doing this comic strip, it'll give him a better idea of what others might think when he does things like this. So I drew the comic strip here. It's bad because I'm not a great artist, but this is Mark interacting with a peer, and she says, "Hello, Mark," and he starts laughing. And then, so down here, he falls to the floor and continues to laugh while pointing at her. And she says, "Why is he doing that?" Or, excuse me, she's thinking this. "Why is he doing that? I didn't say anything funny, and then I just wanted to have a conversation with him." So this would give him a better idea of the motives of peers who come up to talk to him and what it looks like when he behaves in this way. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you.